Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial of Facebook API conversion. So I'm Rahul Mandal, a professional freelancer expert in GA4 tracking and Facebook API tracking. So if anyone needs this service, you can hire me. So today's topic is how to track begin checkout. How will I track begin checkout event? So let's do it. So first of all, let's add some product on my card. I'll add 3 products. Okay, you can see I have added these 3 products. So I will track begin checkout event. So for that, let's click on checkout. You can see here begin checkout in the debugging mode. Here just click on it and go to the data layer option here and see the data layer. So first of all, you have to create some variables, and then you have to create trigger and then tag. So what are the parameter that I am going to send to event manager, send to Facebook picture? So here I will send this parameter: content type, content IDs, content name, and currency. So you can see, so the difficult thing is here to send the content ID, because in case of you have seen my video. In the previous video I showed you in case of view item and AddToCart, the ID is the one individual ID, because you cannot click on multiple products simultaneously, and you cannot add to cart multiple product, but you can uh, added multiple product to your cart, then you mm, do begin checkout, and in this case you get lots of product ID, the different product ID. You can see in my case I have checked out 3 product. This 3 product: dark brown jeans and DNK red shoes, faint wash denim blue jeans, and I have to send these 3 product ID and the 3 product name. So in the like view item, the formula that I used will not work here. The formula that I used is ecommerce.items dot 0.item ID. Then this ID will go to the Facebook pixel, but here I have to send wall item ID, 3 item ID. So for that I will use a custom JavaScript code. Through that custom JavaScript code, uh, I'll be able to send all this item ID, 3 item ID, and 3 item name. So for that, let's create some variable first. So this is the JavaScript code that I have made. You have to make a variable. So I'll create variable by this DLP product ID. So the data layer, begin checkouts product id, I will send the product id. Then I have to copy this dot ecommerce dot these items. Then all the items will be go there. These three items will be go there. If I do this name should be matched with this JavaScript. Here you can see this name and this name should be the same, otherwise this code will not work, this JavaScript will not work. So just save this. Now I will create other two variables. So the variable will be tlp ab begin checkout begin checkout items 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 id. So I am sending the items id. So I will use custom JavaScript code. So for item id I will copy this code and save this. Then I'll create another variable tlp for item name ap begin checkout name checkout item name. So this will be I will select custom JavaScript, and here I have this code. You can see here item just item name. I am sending this item name here, and here I am sending this item id. You can see here item id. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste here, save this. Now the variables I have created for begin checkout. Now I will create tag now. So let's post this tag I created earlier. Take a new tag, name it happy begin checkout tag, and select the picture. Here you have to add the variable, constant variable, ab picture constant variable. So where it is, a picture constant variable, it is like this. You know, if you watched my previous video about it. So here you have to select initiate checkout. Then this in the object properties you have to provide the parameter name and property value. So the parameter name this, I'll copy it from here. Content type, first parameter, and the second is content IDs. Content ID, here is a space, remove this, then copy this content name, then copy this value, then I'll send currency. Now I will add the property value here. Content type, I can type here product. This is product, that's why I'm typing product. And content ID, so the content ID varies because content ID is not the individual. There may be lots of ID. It depends on the user how many product they have added to their cart, and all that product ID will be will go to this event manager, this picture. So I have already created the variables for content ID, so just click on the plus icon and select that begin checkout item ID. This is the item, the wall ID will be go to event manager. And content name, I have already created a variable for content name, so this is the content name variable. And now select the value. So for value, DLV there is no variable for this. Okay, let's create a variable. DLV begin checkout, begin check out value. So I have to check the data layer how I can send the value. So we can take the e-commerce because this is object, and under this object this value, under this object we get this value. So e-commerce dot value will be the data layer, e-commerce dot. So copy this value, you can see the total value is 600. You can see here the total value is 600. So just save this, and now add the currency. Let's see the variable. This is price, this is the currency. I have added the currency, DLV currency. And now I have added every property name and property value, and after that you have to trigger. So create a trigger. Begin checkout trigger, begin checkout trigger. Okay, and it will be custom event, and you have to copy this begin checkout event from here exactly, or you can copy it from here, otherwise it will not work. Okay, paste it and save this. Now everything has been configured, so now let's save this and check this whether it is working or not. So earlier we need to submit, but now you don't have to submit again and again. Just go to the preview mode. Now I will add a few I will added few products to my cart, and then I will do checkout and see the result. I will see the result here, whether the products and the name, especially the products and the name, are coming to this event manager or not. So let's see it. So let's add some products to my cart. I will add 3 products. You can see here, I have added this product 1 2 3 4 5 6 products. There are 6 products, and I will do begin checkout now, and I will see here the result. So let's click on checkout. There are 6 products, right? There are 6 products, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, the initiate checkout has been found here. So you can see here the content IDs. I have configured a variable for this. You can see all the item ID. In Facebook it is called content ID, and in Google it is called item ID. So this is content ID 349 361 340. So let's check this here in the data layer. You can check that ID here under items, ecommerce. Under items you can check this item ID 349 361 340. You can check her 349 361 340 40 40 40 82 40 40 40 82. Everything is working properly. And also check the name. The first item name is dark brown jeans. You can check her dark brown jeans. And then DNK red shoes. Just go here and DNK red shoes, second one. The third one is faint wash denim blue jeans. Faint wash denim blue jeans. So these are working perfectly. So these are working perfectly. Here you can see the red signal missing initiate checkout currency parameters are already given, so it's not an issue. And here pixels and catalog are not paired. So pixel the catalog in the catalog the pixel is not connected, and that's why it is showing. So thank you so much for watching my video.